Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Asabi. Thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys stick around, you might be able to catch something, you might be able to learn something, okay? Give your girl a chance. Today, we will be talking about flaxseed gel. I will actually be demonstrating how to make your own flaxseed gel. Yes, flaxseed gel. I've been looking for something that can hold my hair without compromising the integrity of it. Gels dry your hair out, and flaxseed gel promotes moisture, shine, and extra hold. I also have another DIY video on how to make aloe vera gel. All you gotta do is click that right there. Let's get right into it.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take 2 cups of water and we're going to bring that to a boil. Then once we bring that to a boil, we're going to take about half of that cup and pour the flaxseed in the water. And we're just going to stir it around so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And we're just going to leave it there. As you can see, it boils to the surface very quickly, so make sure you are monitoring this. What we're looking for is a stringy substance. You want it to be mucousy. So I just keep stirring and stirring so that the seeds won't stick to the pot, because they were doing that very often with this pot. And to be honest, I think I might have put too many flax seeds for the amount of gel that I wanted. So now I brought it down, I turned the fire off, and I let it sit and cool for 35 minutes, I believe. And this is the results. As you can see, there's a lot more seeds than there is gel, and that's because I wanted my consistency to be a little bit thicker, because I wanted a stronger hold. So if you want stronger gel, then you should definitely use more flax seeds. If you want more of a watery consistency, use less flax seeds and it'll produce more gel as well. Then I'm going to take just some old stockings and I wrapped them around a plastic container, and I'm going to scoop out my flax seeds. I wanted to make sure I had every drop. But you can see that the flaxseed gel is super thick and just gooey. It looks very nasty actually, and it feels gross as well. I absolutely cannot stand the smell of flaxseed gel. It smells horrible to me, so I recommend adding an oil or fragrance to mask the smell. Nothing left. Now I'm going to take the stocking cap off. Not a stocking cap, I'm going to take the leggings, and I'm just going to press on the bottom half of it until I strain all the gel out. And now this took a lot of effort, because it was really thick and it was really hard to squeeze out of that. There you have it. And they're the seeds. I'm actually going to reuse these seeds. They say that you can reuse them, so that's what I'm going to do. And store that away. And I'm going to pour it in my container. I've already had this container, so I'm just going to pour that in there. Scoop every bit out. There we have it. And there's the gel. Finito.
All right, so I've got my flaxseed gel. Here it is. This stuff is gooey, like super gooey. It looks like snot and it feels gross, like ew. My hair is already prepped and everything. I might need to take a spray bottle to my head. All right, I've got my mirror right over there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my hair and then I'm gonna start applying the gel. So here we go. Rub it through my head. Just rub it on my head, yo. Wowzer. More. Sure to really get those edges. It feels super moisturizing. Like it feels gooey and slimy and just like my hair is just taking to it well. Let me spray it some more. The low porosity heads gotta take extra precaution when it comes to wetting your hair because it takes a little bit longer for that water to set in. But that feels awesome. Oh my gosh. That feels great. Let's take a little bit more to it. That looks so disgusting. That looks like snot. Oh my god. Ew. Like nasty. I'm gonna do these edges. See how this is just like gross. Looks nasty, but it feels good on my head. Feels real good on my head. I'm gonna take this slime nastiness and I'm just going to go around my edges, yeah, just to see flicking. It already feels like it's holding my hair, and it hasn't even like dried completely, so that's good. I usually take Ghost gel and kind of do my edges. So we'll see how this holds. Every black person got this. So I'm just gonna like do this. Oh. Seems like it's got some hold strength to it. I just like to do my little baby hairs, you feel me? Okay, hold. Here we go. I see. I may not ever need to go buy gel. Okay, Flaxseed, I see you. Okay, got my curls popping. It looks nice and shiny. Can y'all see that? Look at those edges. Let's turn around so you can see. Gorgeous girl, gorgeous. And we'll see how this lasts. This mess is really holding right now. I can feel it. I can feel it holding my hair, which is awesome. Thumbs up to Flaxseed so far. I may not ever, and I mean ever, have to go buy store gel.